So today we're asking ourselves, what is a variable? We went into class, we were kind of sleepy in the morning, and then all of a sudden our professor starts talking about 4x plus 2z equals 10. And we're like, what is this? What is a variable? What are these letters doing in my math problems? Well, it's basically like those letters are numbers. A variable is a letter that we use to represent a number. Usually we do this when we don't know what that number is and we're trying to figure it out. It makes it easier. For example, if I was to say 5 plus question mark equals 7. What is this question mark? It looks kind of funny to have question marks everywhere. 5 plus question mark divided by question mark equals 2 times question mark. That wouldn't work so much. And then how do you differentiate between this question mark and another number that might be another question mark? Well, that's why we use variables. Instead of having question marks everywhere or blank lines, 5 plus blank equals 10, we will put a letter here, and that way we know the difference between the different numbers. We know it's a different number if it has a different letter. So let's try to do an example of this. Let's try, I've used 5 too many times, so let's try 8. 8 plus x equals 10. Okay, so now what we can do is we can just subtract 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. And we have the plus x. And now since we do it on one side, remember we have to do the same thing on the other side of the equal sign. So now we're going to do 10 minus 8, which is 10 minus 8 equals 2. So we have 0 plus x equals 2. And now our answer is x equals 2. So now we know that we could write this exactly the same. The exact same thing would be 8 plus 2 equals 10. That is what this equation was. But now we know that x is a 2. We don't just say it's a question mark. That's basically what it's for.